The reason I stayed in MongoDB for these almost 8 years is primarily because of the team.
Dublin is the heart of the international growth plan for MongoDB globally.
We already have hundreds of AI-first companies that have selected MongoDB as their data platform.
As you can see, it's an amazing office. It drives you to be productive. It drives you to be more open.
The perception of MongoDB as a company as well as a database that just fits most use cases has gone along that path. I mean, it's been a very clean upward trajectory all along.
What excites me most is that MongoDB is at the heart of how AI applications are being built. They all require data. And so MongoDB, by virtue of its technical stack, is really well positioned, hence the rate at which we're growing in Ireland.
Every day is something new, and that's what makes MongoDB so special.
There is a beautiful energy where people are always willing to help you.
You will be working at what is certainly the gateway to the best engineering talent in Europe and beyond.
And working directly with customers, we have this exposure to new technology, new things, and we can create new skills and advance our skills as well.
MongoDB is known to invest a lot of resources in the development of its people, and as a MongoDB employee, this is something I can feel.
Here at MongoDB, the work-life balance stipulations seem to come right from the top.
We have 76% of our headcount across Ireland who are flex or fully remote. We feel this is core to our culture, allow people to do great work where they are and to meet talent where they are. And so whether or not you are overlooking the beach in Sligo or you're based 5 minutes from the office here, we want to meet you where you're at, and we want you to help us grow.